Morning students. So now we are going to start 5th class term 2 English. So already we have completed our third lesson, that is Tenali Raman and the two thieves. Now we will see the objective of this lesson. Now our first bit is we have to fill the blanks with one word each. Two thieves entered Tenali Raman's house. Tenali Raman said their treasure was hidden in the well. The thieves began drawing water from the well. The thieves asked for Tenali Raman's forgiveness. The Tenali Raman's wife was proud of his quick thinking. So our next bit is we have to see the definition of adjectives. So words that describe or qualify nouns are called adjectives. Some adjectives contain more than one word. These words are joined by hyphen. Such adjectives are called compound adjective. For example, a well-dressed man, a 12-year-old girl. So hyphen means here you can see a well hyphen dress. Here you can see this is a hyphen. So our next bit is tick the suitable adjectives. So we have to tick the correct adjectives. This t-shirt is made from a papery cloth. Please wash the dirty cups and put them away. Geeta has curly hair. Geeta has curly hair. The angry customer demanded his money back. The naughty children hid behind the trees. Next one, match the words in the two columns to make compound adjectives. So they have given some words in the both columns. We have to match them to make compound adjectives. Here you can see well means fitted. So mouth means watering. World means famous. Full length. So old fashioned. Long lasting. So next one, part time. So last one, short haired. So these are the compound adjectives. So by using these compound adjectives we have to complete these sentences. Complete these sentences with suitable compound adjectives from exercise D. So we have done the compound adjectives. By using these compound adjectives we have to fill this bit. There were many mouth-watering dishes on the table. She did many part-time jobs till she got a full-time job. He may be a world-famous singer, but he is a very simple and humble man. The man wearing well-fitted clothes looked at himself in the full-length mirror. This medicine has a long-lasting effect. Next one, read these clues and fill in the missing letters to get words that describe different kinds of sounds. So they have given some sentences. We have to fill the missing letters. A sound like paper or leaves rubbing together. In the lesson we have seen rustle. R-U-S-T-L-E, rustle. A sound like a small bell ringing or many metal objects shaking together. Jingle, J-I-N-G-L-E. A short, sharp, repeated sound like something burning in a fire. Crackle, C-R-A-C-K-L-E, crackle. A sound like something frying in hot oil or water falling on a hot metal. Sizzle, S-I-Z-Z-L-E, sizzle. A short loud sound when hard objects hit one another. Rattle, R-A-T-T-L-E, rattle. A sound like S made when air escapes from a liquid as bubbles. Fizz, F-I-Z-Z, fizz. So next one, a continuous low sound like a moving fan. Whir, W-H-I-R-R. Last one, the sound of a tight string or wire being pulled and released. Wang, T must be silent, T-W-A-N-G, wang. So we have to match these words with their correct meaning. Here you can see its means the word used to show that something belongs to something. So its means the short form of it is. Beside means next to something. Besides means and other than, apart from, something else in addition to. Whether means if. Weather means the sun, wind and rain in a place at a particular time. Cloth means a fabric, the material from which pants, blouses and so on are made. So here once again, cloth means fabric, the material from which pants, blouses and so on are made. Cloths means the common word of shirts, trousers, frocks, skirts and so on. So I hope you have understood this objective. And your homework is you have to write the definition of adjective. And another homework is you have to write this D bit, E bit. Thank you.